Hi everyone, I'm Avable. On this channel, I share tons of experiments and tips about DC regulated power supplies. Add an appropriate amount of baking soda to the electrolysis apparatus. Pour clear water into the electrolysis apparatus. Stir until completely dissolved. Subsequently, correctly connect the two electrodes of the device to the positive and negative terminals of the power supply. Turn on the unit and raise the output voltage gradually. It is worth noting that this regulated power supply is capable of outputting an extremely stable voltage. There are absolutely no random fluctuations. It can be observed that the electrolysis effect has begun. A large number of bubbles are starting to form in the water. As we continue to increase the voltage, the electrolytic reaction becomes significantly more vigorous and rapidly generates a large quantity of bubbles. Next, as we lower the voltage, we can observe that the bubbles decrease. Install the rubber ring on the electrolysis apparatus. The generated gas can be ignited with a lighter. The voltage has been steadily dropping, and our water electrolysis process has also come to an end.